Mizzy Mari got beats.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Well, first off, let me say hey YouTube, because this is for a YouTube video. I'm doing a little fruit mukbang because I just stopped by Publix and I'm in the car by myself. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just give y'all a YouTube video and just make it happen. So I know I have not been uploading on my channel, and that's because I broke my damn ring light. I broke my ring light. My ring light is not able to be fixed, dog. It's broken. So I have to get a new one. I'm ordering that soon. So, you know, yeah. I really don't like how they are so stingy with the pineapples, because the pineapples is like the best thing in the fruit thing. But they love to give a bitch watermelon. And don't get me wrong, I love watermelon, but bitch, they give us too much. Barely give us grapes. So I be trying to save my grapes, but strawberries, I like strawberries. So, but damn, phone just had to be a bitch, huh? Anyways, what I was saying was, you know, okay, at this fucking point, at this damn shit hole again, I'm finna stop the whole fucking video. Period. No motherfucking questions asked. Cause what the fuck going on? Anyways, what I was saying was, I just been trying to finish school, and I've been working. I'm trying to go to college. I'm on the verge of graduating. I gotta do so much shit to graduate. Ooh. These shits, let me try cantaloupe, because the honeydew is fucking disgusting. It's not that disgusting, but I didn't like how it's supposed to be. Y'all know how honeydew's supposed to be. Y'all know how honeydew's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like that. Ooh, that cantaloupe something serious. Yeah. Dog, I only want to eat the strawberry, bro. Like, I just called it a fucking strawberry. Pineapple. What the fuck? I'm gonna taste the watermelon. I'm not even gonna lie, that watermelon good as fuck. That watermelon hella good. I'm gonna just be eating on camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what the fuck to talk about. Girl, your whole pants inside out, bitch. You look stupid. Bitch, if you gonna sag, wear your pants the right way. Anyways, the light in my room is so dim that it won't even be good quality. And then on top of that, it's just, you know, I be busy too, so it's like, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing YouTube again. And y'all, I honestly want to start doing eyebrows and eyelashes and stuff. I'm about to buy me a fucking mannequin kit. What the fuck? I'm about to buy me a mannequin head, and I'm about to actually start learning how to do fucking eyelashes like individuals, because I need a side hustle. And you know, I honestly want to start back doing YouTube because I like to vlog. Like, I love vlogging. If y'all have me, don't mind this. It's a bag. But if you know me, like me personally, you know that I love, like, I have a spam page and I always vlog on there. Like, I'm doing, you know, all the shit. So I'm about to actually, I just want to do a YouTube page. It's just that I don't, just please support, you know, because I just be like, so yeah. But I'm about to start back doing reaction videos. I'm about to, I really wish y'all would leave requests down in the comments so I can like react to them, because I be wanting to do reaction videos. I like reactions. I love to laugh. I love to be scared. Okay, I love to be thrilled, should I say. I love doing a lot of shit. I just like experiencing shit, if you want me to be honest. But my girl Noelle did my damn eyebrows today, and they look so good. I got them tinted. Ooh. Let me stop. I don't even be giving a fuck about that. But yeah, she did my lashes real. What the fuck? What the fuck? She did my eyebrows real good today, so. My mama got me in a parking lot while she went into Mad Rags. I'm talking about random shit. I'm not even like sticking to one topic. But what y'all think I should do? I want to do pranks, but I don't really want to invite. Hold on. I just did some I just spoke in tongues, dog. But I really do not want to include, like, you know, I really do not want to include, like, you know, some family members. Like, I just don't want to include my personal family life inside my shit, because it's like, why? For what? For what? I don't know what to talk about, y'all. I really don't know what to talk about, so I'm gonna get the fuck off.